What's up, YouTube? It's me, back with another video. And as you saw in the last video, I did a small mod to help my uncle out, and I got another one for you today. So, as you know, BMWs are notorious for this black tar handle. In the summer, you grab this, whole hand's gonna be black. It's cold out right now, so it's not too bad, but as you can see, this polymer breaks down and dry rots, and it'll start going onto the leather, breaking the leather down. And this happens because dirt, oils, hand lotions get into that and it just breaks it down. And also it'll transfer because you'll grab this to close the door, and most people, drive like this all over the steering wheel, break that leather down. So today we're gonna fix that. My uncle is really anal about the way his car looks, so let's get him right. All right, and today this is gonna be a cost-effective way to fix that problem. This is gonna cover the polymer, so when you grab it, none of that residues can get on your hands. This isn't a permanent fix, so this is just a little quick temporary, just to not spread that black tar all over your car and ruin it. And then, even though that spot is so little on that leather, my uncle, I swear he's OCD. He's gonna see that and think it's a problem. So I got this to replace that for him. So for tools, all you're gonna need is this little kit, $25 off of Amazon. I'm gonna grab these two, and that's it to get that handle off. And then never forget, safety first. All right, and to take this off, it's pretty simple. And you might be asking yourself, why did I order this and not just replace this polymer? If you want to replace a polymer, you're gonna have to take the whole door off. And honestly, I don't got time for that right now. So this is temporary quick fix. And just to take this leather piece off, it's just full of clips. So one of the clips is located, you can see the stitch. You kind of want to follow that and get it right there. Jam it in there. And then you can take another one of these trim pieces and go inside like that. And then push, and then use the leverage to pull it out, and then you're just gonna walk it down. And then once you get that off, there's a stick and you just pull it straight out this way. Bam, just like that. And now when you pull this off, you want to make sure these little clips right here, you take it off this one. Let's see, you know how I mentioned in the beginning of the video, that $25 kit from Amazon? This hook is included, so I had to go back and get that to get this clip off. So you just pull it up a little bit, put it through this hole, and then pull up, and the clip will come off. Now we're done with that. And then you can see how these other clips are on there, so you just want to match that up like this, and then just slide it back on. There, now it's ready for the new leather piece. But first, I'm gonna put this on because it's very simple. Look at that little piece of black tar. See? Won't be a problem no more. So you just slide this on. There, fits nice and flush. Now when you put this leather piece on, you wanna see this little stick. It's gonna be inserted into here, this little hole. So you slide that in first. Make sure that's on. And then you kind of want to bend this down to fit back in that hole. You hear that? And you want to just push down, make sure it's in there. It's going to sound kind of bad, but you want to give it little taps. And bam. Quick temporary fix, cost effective, and let's go do the other side. And for this side, the polymer looks good, the leather looks okay, no dry rotting, but just for preventative maintenance, I just got another one to add on this side. So like I said, just slide that on, fits flush, and you ain't gotta worry about the polymer getting sticky and getting all over the car. Alright, if you guys enjoyed that video, go ahead and drop a like, comment, subscribe. And honestly, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys' comments. I want to see what y'all want to see done to this car. But yeah, that was a little easy mod for the day and cost effective. So hopefully y'all learned something new. But anyways, I'll catch y'all in the next video.